with Nadia. It's been a little while since I've posted a video, but I'm very excited to tell you about an upcoming event, a baking class on Zoom. This is a fundraiser to raise money for the Mona Foundation, a nonprofit which helps educate children that live in poverty. We will be making a white cake with whipped cream and strawberries, and we would love for you to join us. You can bring your child or your significant other and have fun baking. The information below will be how to register for this class. So excited to see you. Take care. Bye-bye.